Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today I will explain how to move and rotate the 3D layer.
Let's begin. Let's start.
In addition to the x-axis and y-axis, the 3D layer can move and rotate in the z-axis direction, which is a complicated movement. Now we will explore exactly how the 3D layer works. First, select the 3D layer which you want to move. If you look at the composition panel with the 3D layer selected, you can see the red, green, and blue arrows extending from the anchor point. Red represents the x-axis, green represents the y-axis, and blue represents the z-axis. If this x-y-z axis is not displayed, we can show it from the View tab in the menu bar checking Show Layer Control. Choose the selection tool in the Tools panel. If you move your mouse pointer over the axis of the desired direction, the axis of the desired direction will be displayed in the lower right corner of the mouse pointer, so check and drag it. Drag the arrow on the x-axis to move the layer to the x-axis. Drag the arrow on the y-axis to move the layer to the y-axis. Drag the arrow on the z-axis to move the layer on the z-axis and zoom in and out. Moving or rotating the 3D layer may be difficult to move with a mouse. If you want to move accurately, let's change the value of the property. First, expand the transformer property to view the position property. The position property displays the x, y, z axis value, so change the values here. When you change the values, the 3D layer will move to the changed position. First, select the 3D layer you want to rotate on the timeline panel. The selected 3D layer will have an arrow extending to XYZ axis around the anchor point. From the Tools panel, click the Rotation tool. When you align the mouse pointer with the axis you want to rotate, the mouse pointer shape changes to the name of the axis as before. Drag the arrow on the X-axis to rotate the layer on the X-axis. Drag the arrow on the y-axis to rotate the layer on the y-axis. Drag the z-axis arrow to rotate the layer in the z-axis direction. If you want to rotate exactly, let's change the value of the property. First, expand the transformers property to view the rotate property. Rotation properties are divided into x, y, and z. You can rotate the layer on each axis by changing the x, y, z axis value of the rotation property. Lastly, the transformer properties of the 3D layer have an orientation property and a rotation property. Both allow us to rotate layers, but the orientation property cannot be rotated more than 360 degrees during animation, so use the rotation property to rotate more than 360 degrees. This is the end of the lecture on how to move and rotate the 3D layer.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.